Hello, welcome to my drink cooking program. It's time for the essence of limited editions. More like the essence of Emeril. This time we're using limited edition drinks. Today, we've got V8 Hot Honey, which is known as vegetable juice that Yuko had sang. We had the A&W Ice Cream Sundae drink, which might be gone, and Kool-Aid Jammer's Snow Day, the berry flavor. Lucky I may be getting a good smear out of that. You know, the essence of Emeril's Camp Special was cut out for I2 Productions, presented by CBS, but this time, I'm willing to be good enough with my delicious Kool-Aid. Get that picture, Emeril Lagasse? Now, I can pour in the cream soda after this. Squeezing the Kool-Aid jammers, and it goes like wow, now that is half juicy, half crazy, and half Kool-Aid jammers with this new drink. Available until winter is over. Then we need to pour the ice cream sundae flavor A&W. And add the brand new limited edition of the hot honey flavored V8 veggie juice. That's how Miku sang, cause I had to put it in my video of YouTube, the Mushroom One. Food Network, you're never gonna see this. Cause I also done that in Miku's McDonald's commercial to dub the English. And to make this real, I'm sure everyone knows you can't put it in the microwave or in the oven with drinks. The only drink you can put in the microwave is coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. Even hot apple cider. Yes, only cider you're choosing to warm it up is apple cider. Nothing else. Exactly. You know what a banana cider is. Unheard because of a banana juice that I read at Sprinkle Academy. Let's see how it tasted so good with the... It's kind of like purple and green, which is my favorite color to do my fashion dreamer anime girl thing. Let me see if I can gulp it down. Will it taste good? Well, it looks like it's teal. Here goes nothing. That never had tasted so good. Honestly, with mixing ice cream and celery juice. Besides, nobody's gonna matter anyway how Nintendo Mario and Sega Sonic might prefer in my recipe on Christmas. Besides, Christmas is almost here. And we're nearly at 2026. Coming summer of July 22nd, the Olympic Games will begin in Tokyo. And I'm hoping for the Nintendo Switch 2, they're going to have a Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games comeback. Maybe they can title Mario and Sonic at the Superstars Olympic Games. And I sure wish they could have a Mario Party 11 for its return. Even Super Smash Bros. 6, the next title on the Nintendo Switch 2. And so far, coming the next year, there is going to be a Fire Emblem Nintendo Switch 2 title, Fire Emblem Fortune Weaves. And their upcoming American Kingdom Hearts 4 will be included. Apt to be known as Sora coming back again. That means 2 sequels. Means we triple the heat. I don't want the lights out. Let me have a string cook. So you know what they said I was gonna drink? It's called Chili Today Hot Tamale. Oh well, that's it right now. I'm turning off my camera. You can check out my YouTube channel, The Mushroom One. Like, share, subscribe. And see what the holiday can bring. I'm John Richard Wapolowski and saying thanks for watching. And besides, I will say John Appetit. Parody of Bon Appetit. John Appetit, that was my joke. Sayonara!